Unapologetic. They turn me to a villain. Yelling serious, I'm humble as a cabbage. The only thing that I had eaten that day of Christmas, I made myself a promise. I got a story, I'ma tell it and make some millions, and I'ma keep it honest, cause I'm one of the finest. I know I say it casually, but you don't know how long it took me. I've been on my feet, but I ain't counting on my footprints. Moving purposely, you only notice if you're looking. Don't negotiate my fee, my lady manage all my bookings. I was just a kid when I lost my friend Doris. I learned to be detached from a broken promise. One day she was there, middle of the crossing. 20 years later, and I'm still mourning. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Through the hardest. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Nobody noticed. Through the hardest. Unapologetic. They turn me to a villain. Yelling serious, I'm humble as a cabbage. The only thing that I had eaten that day of Christmas, I made myself a promise. Got a story, I'ma tell it and make some millions, and I'ma keep it honest, cause I'm one of the finest. Keep your opinions unapologetic. I had to cure my own depression. I learned that life was greater than what I imagined. I used to hide instead of living in the present. Though I'm really trying to be a man of action. Hollywood, I've been flipping L's in the sevens. Jackpot, I've been shopping in on my weapons. Pop the hood, jump the park, defibrillate or dead it. But I just wanna get on my flowers while I can smell them. Archer is the spirit, war is total Armageddon. As I look into my past, I recognize I love the patterns. If struggle was a hill, then I was living on a mountain. Living in lack, but motivation on 1,000. I ain't at my final form, but it's about to happen. I lead my own pack, man, I ain't about the bragging. Carry all the losses like the captain. Beauty's in the struggle, man, and not in the attainment. Unapologetic. They turn me to a villain. Yelling serious, I'm humble as a cabbage. The only thing that I had eaten that day of Christmas, I made myself a promise. I got a story, I'ma tell it and make some millions, and I'ma keep it honest, I'm one of the finest. Keep your opinions in.